Oh, let me get that. Yeah, no. No. Oh, I know. Here. Oh! Just take care of that for you. There. All better. Tio, just a second.
All right, now listen. I'm gonna give you fellas one last chance to reconsider. And if you don't want to reconsider, I might consider reconsidering myself. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, now listen up. Things are gonna be different around here now that Rango's in town. Got some new rules. I want my shoes shined every morning, my coffee hot, Danish on the side. Whatever you do, don't look me in the eye. Stay out of my peripheral vision.
It's Rango.
What's he up to?
Oh, he ain't afraid of nobody. He's a-telling that bird what for.
And when you see me coming, stand aside. I take large steps, and I don't want none of you hayseeds getting your bodily fluids on my boots. Of course, there is no need for violence as long as we stick together, work as a team. So I want you all to come on outside now, line up single file while I take a brief intermission.
What's he doing now?
I think it's a number 2.
Never mind.
Take a look-see over here.
Well, look at him now.
He's chasing after that ball.
Give him hell, Rango!
Oh no!
Did you see that?
He killed that thing. What do you think, Doc?
This hawk is dead.
Shoot, I say we cook that right up.
He did it with one bullet.
But just like he said.
It's about time we had a hero around here.
One who ain't in a pine box. Well, I think it's time he met the mayor.
You hear that, Rango? You're gonna meet the mayor.
Let's hear it for Rango!